We're gonna make a Skrewy Lebowski.
What makes it screwy?
You know, I don't know. Skrewy
I think
Lebowski.
people just name stuff, whatever it is they want to name them.
So wait, I can change it? I can name it whatever I want?
I believe you can.
All right, this is the jalopy. This has your peanut butter whiskey.
Oh, Skrewball. Here's the thing. I've never had any other peanut butter whiskey, so we really should probably get another bottle of peanut butter whiskey. You guys should tell me what your favorite ones are.
Next, ½ ounce of Kahlua.
This is going to be amazing.
So we got Skrewball and Kahlua so far.
Okay.
You're digging it.
Yeah, just don't put anything horrible in that.
½ ounce of any clear whiskey. A few dashes of chocolate bitters. We got peanut butter. We got coffee. We got chocolate.
I'm trying it. I'm trying it, right? Because you got to try it.
And a splash
Oh my God.
of half and half.
It's like 25 things in here.
All right, this is going to be kind of like our international waters where we just kind of pour it in and we just let the cream kind of do its thing. The Skrewy Lebowski from bartrender.com.
I don't like that.
I would not do the half and half again.
I think the whiskey tainted it for me.
I think this is good. If you like whiskey, you like Kahlua.
Mm-mm.
It covers up the terrible Skrewball. So
It's making my tongue tingly.